What is that? Yo, do you guys hear that? It's weird. I was just sitting right there, freaking minding my own business, and just this creepy thing started happening. Oh, I don't like it. Yo, whatever it is, if it jumps out at me, Jesus Christ. Nah, dude. I can't let this thing jump at me. I'm grabbing this thing. My fire thing. I don't know. What is that? It stopped? It goes like something like that. I don't even know. It's weird. Yo, that's scary AF, dude. What the heck? It's not even funny. What is that, dude? Don't test me. I got this. And that. If, like, I think it's a baby bird because, like, it's on a tree and there's nests all over this tree. Yeah, it's probably was from a baby bird that was hungry or something. But dude, it sounded like something that was like a raccoon or a possum or something, yo. That was scary AF. Jesus Christ. Yo, that's weird. That's weird. Nature is weird. It's beautiful, but it's weird. Yo, what is that? I heard something crawling on the grass over there. Yo, I'm out of here. Yo, I'm out of here. Screw that. No, dude, I'm not doing that. Hell no.